Yeah, buddy!
Well, hello there. I know on the screen it says delt workout and I seem to start with a chest exercise. This is simply because upper chest is a weakness for me and the pressing shown here involves a lot of front delt as well. So a good exercise for me to start this workout with. I'm talking about the incline bench press, and what I focus on is bringing the bar down as high as possible on my chest, flaring my elbows out. This gives me more stretch on the upper chest. Next is the incline dumbbell press, and as you can see I'm using a hammer grip to emphasize my upper chest again. You will see from this side shot I bring the weight next to my chest and not next to my shoulder area. This is important to hit your upper chest instead of a lot of front delt, but you use your front delt as well, of course. Here is the shot where you can see it the best. Also notice my elbows don't flare out as much as on the incline bench press. Now, time for some lateral raises. I go really lightweight on this one, and sometimes I close my eyes and search for the feel of the exercise. If I'm not feeling it in my delts, I change my position a little bit until I do feel it. Everyone does this exercise a little differently, so this is my tip for you guys. Also, I try to get my pinkies up at the top of the movement and keep them up while I go down again. Here you see another exercise for the side delts, this time the machine lateral raise. This gives a different feel than the dumbbell one. I don't grab the handles of the machine, but keep my arms a bit straighter to feel the exercise better. Try this out if you haven't already. If you do not have this machine, try it maybe with some cables or an alternative exercise. Now rear delts, also a weakness of mine, so that's why I superset these two exercises. First off is the rear delt raise on an incline bench. Notice the little twitch in my elbows when I'm at the top of the exercise. That's where I try to squeeze the rear delt, and from this angle you can see how my elbow leads the movement and how the weight stays parallel with my shoulder. Kai Greene shrugs. This is one I saw in a video of the famous bodybuilder Kai Greene. What you do is basically hold a bar behind the back, shrug it up in the first part of the movement, and then raise your elbows up and outside to activate the rear delts. Try this out because it is an amazing feeling in the rear delts. I finished with weighted decline crunches, and as you can see I push the weight up to activate more of my abs while moving, and I use my front delts for this as well. So a great combination exercise again. This will conclude everything for this video. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click that like button down below. See you in the next video.
Als de zwaar meer kan bewegen, dan kan dit nog wel eens als een dansplat worden omschouwd. De Body-Off en Sweet Harmony. Hoe goed je dat trouwens in 1983 is begonnen, nadat een van de stichtende groepsleden een annonce had gezet in de streekkrant om andere artiesten te vinden. En kijk, de rest is geschiedenis, alhoewel.
Kom helemaal depressiever.